Most coaches and consultants don't have a scaling problem. They have a systems problem. And if you're watching this, you're probably looking for a way to systemize your business in just 2 weeks, without juggling tools, spreadsheets, or chaos. We work with premium coaches and consultants who are tired of relying on off-the-shelf tools that don't scale and want to focus on delivery, not admin, emails, and Notion docs. This is the shift. You stop looking like a freelancer managing things manually and start operating like a professional firm with real infrastructure. Your portal becomes your credibility engine, lead engine, trust multiplier, and your go-to link when someone refers you. Our promise is simple: a complete branded portal, built and delivered in just 2 weeks. One place where clients can view your offer, access resources, and book appointments, all inside a polished, professional environment. So you focus on delivery, not admin, and your business becomes easier to scale. If this sounds like what you need, drop a message at launch@nocode.com.